I want first of all to appeal to all Kenyans who are able, and there are many of them who are able, that I think it is only education that is a constant changer, and that I'm instructing our officers who are in the field, together with the Ministry of Interior, who is represented here by the Deputy County Commissioner Mr. Siele on my left, together with his chiefs and sub-chiefs and our quality assurance officers and education officers, to go to the field and mop every child. Every child must be taken to school.